What's going on, guys? I'm about to wash my car and I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. As y'all can see, man, it's super dirty. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how I wash my car and I'm gonna show you how to fully detail it. The wheels, this, everything, the trimming, the plastic trimming, the tires. I wanna wax it for y'all. So let's get it. So we rinse the car. Now we can just start off with the wheel. I like to start off with the wheels. I usually do 2 at a time, and then after that I just wipe down the tires with that same soap. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all whenever I'm done. Alright guys, so I cleaned these 2 wheels up already. And then so next what I like to do right after I clean the wheels, just with that same soap, man, just get a dirty rag, just whatever rag, you know, and just wipe the sidewall. Alright guys, so we already finished cleaning the wheels. We wiped down the tires. Now let's get started with the rest of the body. Yeah guys, I like to use a two bucket method. You know, one's just with the water just to rinse out the mitt. I recommend y'all use that two bucket method. You know, the only purpose it serves is, let me show you out right now. Yeah, so this one has the soap, obviously, right? And this one has no soap, just water. So this is just to rinse out the mitt. You know, you probably picked up some dirt from, you know, from how dirty the car was. So just rinse it out, and then just rinse it out real quick. Get some more soap and then go again. Alright guys, so I ended up bringing the car back inside to dry it off, because it was, man, like in this weather, man, it's so hot out there that the car was drying on its own. So look how hot it is, man. So yeah, I brought it inside. I'm gonna finish drying it, and then I'll get started with I'll probably wax it after, and then do the plastic trimming and the tire shine, and yeah, and probably detail the roof. Alright, let's get it. So I'm gonna get started with the waxing. This is the wax that I use. Usually what I like to do is start off with, break it down to panels, like this panel right here, and then the door, and then the fender, bumper, the hood, etc. Alright, so let's see. Spray it on, and then we just wipe it off. Yeah, I don't have a buffer, so gotta do this by hand. My hand is a buffer. Alright, so I finished waxing the car now. I waxed it all by hand too. looking real clean. Let me drive it out for y'all so y'all can see it real good. Yep, so I finished waxing the car. Euros, deck lid, carbon fiber deck lid. Yeah, she's looking real good. I'm just gonna put some tire shine on the tires. This is the one I use, by the way. It's a foam. Yeah, the tires are all shiny now. The car is shiny too. Now for this little plastic trimming, what I like to use is this thing is amazing, man. My favorite product from Adam's Polishes by far. Look, man, I'm gonna show you. Let me put y'all on real quick. Man, this thing works amazing, man. I use this on the engine bay as well, and it lasts a long time, man. Definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10 for sure. Yeah, so the entire car is clean now. It's all waxed, tire shine, tire trim. I mean the plastic trimming and everything. So now I like to polish my tips. And this is the product that I use. Let me put y'all on again. Alright, let's see.